Tukoria lero mo governor wa county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo niganyara kwa wikirana wasio bwa Senate anamonase kamati emanyakana Public Investment Committee sanyara kwa kwiraniria amaboli igoro gotumukiwe chibesa ase county ya Nyamira mo gekale kyogose kamati yo nigayaragwa amo no senator bwa county ya Migori muske Edio Kechi oyole omokonyi pomunyakerogo ase kamati yo.
This particular staff of under these municipalities was 7 million. That one was paid, if you look at the total by the end of the year under review. And then if you look at March 2025 on 6th, there was a withdrawal of 222,000 by a gentleman called Patrick Orina Okioi. Do you know Patrick Orina Okioi? You are aware, right? The explanation for this money was preparing municipal plan. So it existed. Samuel Makoka Osike. Do you know the gentleman? Yeah? You know him, Governor. Governor, nodding is not recorded or answered.
Chairman, I don't know him personally, but the minister knows him.
The minister knows him?
Yes.
Minister, are you aware of Samuel Makoka Osike?
I know him.
You know him? When did you incorporate?
Because this is supposed to be a company that is independent. I don't audit us.
Wait.
In terms of the legal position, I thought, at least from my experience from CPAC, we have been treating water companies as independent entities. And anytime we see anything relating to water companies, we say, let them go to CPIC. How do you do your audits yourselves?
He said the company was not there. What was not there is the board. The board was constituted 2-3 weeks ago. The company was there, but it could not operate independently because it didn't have the board. I think I can leave it to the minister to explain the small details of the...